Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the three view encapsulation modes in Angular. First is emulated, second is none, third is ShadowDom. Okay, let's get started. How these are the functional in the component level. Let's take a look. Okay, so first of all, that is view encapsulation emulated. That means styles apply only inside the components template. If you want to do the style at the component level, which is the default encapsulation, so in that case only the styles apply to the component level, not at the global level. Okay, so in that case you have to use the view encapsulation emulated, so the style only remain at the component level, not at the global level. Okay, Angular scopes styles to the components using the generative attributes like ng content. If I go and just see the inspect element, so here you can see that the underscore ng content same with the style ng content. So these kind of things happen in the encapsulation emulated. Okay, the next one here you can see that underscore ng content and the p would be like this. Next we have the view encapsulation none. That means styles becomes global, same as adding them to the style.css. That means if I have the component where I have style dot demo class and another component I have created with the dot demo class, so if I one of the component has the dot demo class and their css, then automatically it will be applied to the another one which has the same class, so it will be treated as a global. Okay, let's take an example. So here you can see that the both are the none, right? If I go and check this one, that is here you can see we have a none component. Okay, so this is the none component, here you can see, and this is the demo class, and here we have a style. Okay, another one none extra, they don't have the style but the same class is there, so it automatically applies that css of that component, right? So it will be treated as a global. Okay, so make sure while using this one, right? Okay, so this is what about the none. Then last one, that is view encapsulation shadow dome. Angular uses the native shadow dome like the web components. Styles are truly isolated inside the component shadow root. So how it would be defined, that is encapsulation view encapsulation dot shadow dome, and here you can see that it would be like this one shadow root. Here you can see the last one. I'll just do the inspect of this one also. Here you can see how it is formed like the shadow root. Okay, so this is how it will gonna create it with the shadow dome, and now we have this the demo class and the rest of the styles and the html part. Okay, so here you can see that the h2 tag would be like this one. Okay, isolated. Okay, and we have the p tag, we don't give the, only because only the h2 tag we have do the css, where it is shadow. So here you can see that the dot demo, then h2 color would be the green. Okay, so style is 100% isolated, doesn't affect outside elements. Okay, so whatever the outside, it doesn't affect of that one, right? And let's take when to use each mode. Emulated most cases provides good isolation without complexity. None when building design system component that need global styles. Shadow dome for the web components, or when maximum isolation is required in that case. Okay, so this gonna be use cases. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.